Man.
Eh?
Me here talk about how me push up and girl.
I know we are talk, sir. Girl or sister.
No girl can't tell me that, man. No girl can't tell me that neither. Come me push up no hand.
No, you don't say you push up your hand. Your finger, you say you insert.
Me no push up no finger and
She don't say you push it up. She say you insert your finger in her vagina.
Insert no pussy, man. When me I do that for?
I no pussy, she say vagina.
Vagina, blood clot. Me
She
no
say you
do
insert your finger in her vagina.
Me don't do it. I put my finger in no girl pussy anymore.
How what happened then?
Unless I fuck me, I fuck.
So what happened then? How what happened?
The girl run rubbing pussy in my face and me slap out in blood clot out of my face.
Yeah.
So no, none of that.
Yeah, what make?
No true, me no want pussy in my face.
Yeah.
In a crowd and public like that.
Okay,
and me want pussy in my face. No, you know that the crowd.
Yeah.
Everybody are going to say, boy, James, girl rub pussy in your face because we see it in a big crowd.
That's true.
Go suck him, mama.
That's true.
Hey. So that me do. I make a girl and pitch me when I go and the most here for me, you know.
That's true, man.
They never do that to me yet. And one pussy girl push me through, me tell him say no rub no pussy in my face. Me come make a drunk and I drink liquor. Me take away to blood clot and lick down 2 table cut up all myself. See how me and you we cut, see there? I want a little part of my side there so me creep. Take a blood clot, girl. I make a girl do that to that the one day to actually want to rub my pussy in my face. And me say no, me no, girl not rub no pussy in my face. So you know when you want to bow me, you know a big blood clot crowd.
No, fuck you girl, them want fuck you man.
I don't know fuck man.
Then remember say they did a feel you up, you know.
They feel me up on them and one sit down for me with the yes.
Yeah.
And me a wine and eat him to yes boy. I said time one a come, I three of them there for me, you know. One day down on my foot, one down my blood clot foot, one day for my body, and one a come rub pussy in my face.
They're not threesome. They're not threesome them again, man.
Hey, but you cannot want rub pussy in a man's face and you don't want that.
So you say you don't like it threesome?
No, me no want the blood clot pussy rub. And the man upon me and a wine.
I couldn't threesome
but
that. I would have forced
pussy will come in my mouth now and in my mouth, you know. The girl comes out the blood clot and I come then up, come right in my blood clot mouth. Like you are rubbing pussy in my mouth. And so me push when blood clot so that make you then to hurt me. I him said one hurt me, you know. He said one no me push her. So you know see that make you hurt me.
Watch out, man.
Me don't do them nothing.
Watch
You
out,
go and look dance on them and ray. Me don't do them one ras. Me don't lick none of them. Me don't do none of them nothing. Huh?